Hello! I'm once again back with another haul because online shopping seems to be the only thing giving me 5 minutes of happiness right now. I'm using it to fill the void. If you're new here, my name is Kira. I'm from Ireland. I think that's all you need to know. I'm currently 21 and this haul is literally just going to be a new look haul. I managed to find a few things online that actually the quality is fine and I like it, and the clothes fit me nicely. New look usually fits me anyway nicely. They take into account of body shapes, I think, compared to say H&M, where you are expected to have no ass and no hips and no waist. I want to start off first with just some nail stickers I got off AliExpress, just very quickly. They're like angel ones and they're very cute, lots of options, and they don't need water to activate in a way. I'll leave the link down below if any of you are interested in those. Yeah, they just came in this morning, so I thought I would add it to this. So I'm going to get right into it, what I got, what I think of what I got. I like pretty much everything, so let's get started. I'm going to start with the things that came first in the post, which is a few days ago. And I got some tops, just long sleeve tops, because I actually have like 3 to my name and they're just like basic boring ones, so I wanted some fun, more colourful ones. So I got green. In person it looks like kind of, it is a light green and it is like sage green, which I like, but it's kind of khaki green as well, which I'm like on the fence about. But this looks gorgeous on, beautiful with gold jewellery, like white pants as well is how I styled it the other day, and a black belt too, yesterday I should say. The fabric is actually like, it's just very breathable cotton. It's not too thin either, which I really appreciate, and the length of it is actually pretty nice too. It's not very cropped. I like it a lot. I like the collar where it sits, and the lettuce trim is very nice. I like this style so much that I got it in blue. I really like this kind of color blue, or even like a softer color. I have like a few things, and this isn't exactly this blue, but like they're kind of on the same wavelength. Like this one is more vibrant and this one is more pastel, but you know, they're on the same wavelength as I said. And then I have like a painting I did that is like almost in person. Okay, on camera now that looks very light, but this is very similar. But yeah, I got it in blue as well. I got a size 10 for reference if anyone is around the same shape as me, and if you're interested. I got a size 10 because the model was wearing a 10, and I kind of have a bit longer arms. So my arms are kind of longer than the average person, so. And the next top that I got, this one, you need to wear a proper bra with it because it's very frumpy in the front. But it's like a milkmaid style one. Now this one is a thinner fabric than that one. This is like the standard stretch new look fabric that you'd get with like dresses and tops. I don't know when I'll wear this, but it would be lovely with blue jeans, and pretty much everything is a white top and it's cute. So let's see how I style it. There, you're probably seeing it now. I don't know how I'm styling it, probably just with jeans. I like it. I got that in a 10 as well because the model was wearing it. I usually go for the model sizing on sites if I'm not sure. And I got a 4th thing as well in that order, and it was a dress. Now I just don't have like a little black dress, a pretty little black dress that I can just wear whenever, wherever. But it's this, you can't even see the detail on it, but it's just like kind of normal length. It's a bit longer than usual, so it does cover. Which is what I'm always concerned about buying dresses online, because they're always way too short. I don't want my butt cheeks sticking out, okay? But this one is perfect. There's like boning kind of, I'm at a loss for words right now. It's like a boning style fixture. Put it here. Put it. I can't speak. I'm so sorry. But there's no boning in it. It's just the detail is there for under the chest, which makes it a bit more of a fun dress. About 2 days later, I made another order on New Look because I've been really wanting a camel midi dress, specifically one that is long sleeve, not v-neck, it's just normal neck, and also has a tie at the waist, and I would have preferred one as well with a slit, but this dress had everything except the slit. I'm actually going to leave the slit. I really like the dress on. It's magnificent and I really can't wait to wear it out. It's literally exactly what I said I wanted. Camel dress with tie at the waist. You can see here it on me. It's divine. I'm in love with it. It covers everything I wanted to cover while also looking gorgeous. Beautiful with boots, beautiful with like Air Forces, which is what most people have now, including myself. I'm guilty of that. And I can imagine it too. Like, I'm gonna wear it with tights, but not with black tights. I'm gonna wait until the shops open soon. I'm gonna get nude tights because they will keep me warm. Yeah, pretty much. I just need tights. I can't go out with my bare legs because I literally have the colour of chicken breast on my legs. I'm that pale. And I got another 2 things, which are accessories. I got this in the sale and it's literally just a gold necklace. It was like €3 and it has some stones as well in it, if you can see. I felt like I needed a necklace like this. I actually don't have that many jewellery, that much jewellery. This is going to be a horrible video to listen to. Last item, last accessory. It's a mini bag. I do not own a mini bag that can go over my shoulder like this, and I wanted to invest in a little black one. Now this may look very small. It looks bigger on camera. In person it looks tiny, literally, like compared to my head. I have a small head anyway, but you know, compared to my head, that's pretty small. But because the bottom of it is actually pretty wide, I'm pretty sure I can fit a good amount in here. Now the one thing I cannot fit in, which I'm going to have to make a sacrifice, is an umbrella. In Ireland I like to bring an umbrella around with me all the time. You never know when it's going to rain. It could be sunny in the morning and as soon as you leave the house it'll start raining, and then when you're coming home it'll stop raining. So I feel like I need an umbrella with me at all times because I don't have many jackets with hoods. But I was imagining this with my new coat that I got a few weeks back from Dorothy Perkins. I'll probably style it there now with that. A lot of people are on the mini bag trend for a very long time, and I'm usually late to the party with trends because I'm like, I don't know if I want that just yet. I don't know how to style it from my style sometimes, but lately I've been wanting to change my style up to be a bit more feminine. Like, even though it kind of is anyway, but usually I used to wear like a lot of baggy t-shirts, or like tuck the baggy t-shirts into like high-waist wide leg jeans. Like, there wasn't as much fit there, and lately I just kind of want to change that and be a bit more feminine while also keeping the wide leg as well. But you know, yeah, I just want to dress more girly. That's everything that I got from New Look recently. I think it was a successful haul. I'm pretty sure eventually I will probably get more of those long sleeve tops because they're so comfy, breathable, they fit nicely, and they go really nicely with stuff. I'm gonna stop now because I can't speak. Hope you enjoyed the haul. I'll probably be back with another haul the next time I make a video. I won't be surprised. It might be December when I'm posting this, so happy December. I'm very excited for Christmas. I hope everyone's doing well, and I'm gonna see you in the next video. Bye! I don't know how to say goodbye.